Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen without a PC. Once your Zen device is initially set up, you can enjoy its powerful features directly with your console. This means less time tethered to a computer and more time gaming. We'll cover connecting your devices, navigating the onboard menu, and making real-time adjustments to your game packs. Get ready to optimize your gameplay with just a few button presses on your Zen. Connecting your Zen to your gaming console is straightforward. First, use the short micro USB cable to link your Zen to your console's USB port. Next, plug your preferred controller into the one USB port on the front of your Zen. This authenticates the device. For wireless controllers, connect them via Bluetooth after initial wired setup. Always double-check your connections to ensure a seamless and responsive gaming session. The Zen device features a small, clear OLED screen and 3 navigation buttons, allowing you to manage settings without a computer. Press the left or right buttons to scroll through your loaded game packs and scripts. The central button confirms your selection. Once a game pack is active, you can often fine-tune specific mods, such as adjusting anti-recoil strength or rapid-fire speed, directly through the on-device menu. This gives you immediate control over your gameplay. One of Zen's most powerful features is the ability to make real-time adjustments. While in-game, you can quickly switch between different game pack profiles or modify active mod values using the device's buttons. For example, you might increase or decrease a mod's intensity by 1 or 2 points to suit your current weapon. You can also save these personalized settings to one of 8 memory slots, ensuring your preferred configurations are always just a few presses away, enhancing your competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.